edges and make sure the front piece and the back piece of the pillowcase line up well. Remember, don't iron over felt or a bunch of glue or any fabrics that you are not allowed to iron. It may be good to draw some lines where the seam will be sewn together on the sewing machine. Indicate on your rubric whether you want me to sew it for you or if you want to give using the sewing machine a try. If you want to try, I will be right there with you, coaching you on how to do it. Time to move. Okay, so I can trim these little ends off the threads where my back stitching was. So now it's time to turn my pillow inside out, and this might take a little bit of doing. I told y'all I am not a professional, so I'm just going to work and work at it. Well, I left a big enough hole where it doesn't seem like it's that difficult. We have some sticks in the classroom. I have a long paintbrush here in my studio, but you can reach in there and push out your corners. I'm sorry for the annoying fan noise in my video. It was freezing cold in my art studio and I had to turn the heater on. Alright, this might require a little bit of ironing before I stuff it. And then once I stuff it, I can still add embellishments. I still have some work that I'm going to do on my truck with puff paint and I don't know. I'm just going to decide when I get there. See how the doll goes. Callie, no, that's not your pillow. You're blocking the light. I got these great monster doll patterns from itsalwaysautumn.com. Thank you, Autumn. These are really cool. Check out the description below for a link on where to find them. So I can see right here where I must have missed the 2 pieces of fabric. So I've got a little hole right there and I will have to mend that. This looks like a tooth, y'all. Is this a tooth monster? Could be a tooth. Stop. She's trying to eat my plants. I'm gonna make you sleep outside tonight. Can't be playing in my art studio. Unsupervised. Oh, I forgot about the arms. Takes a little bit of doing. Alright, so I've never done this before on a doll like this. It's kind of a weird shape. It's got some wrinkles where I didn't, you know, sew the edges perfectly, but it'll be cute, no doubt, especially when I stuff it and give it hair, and I may age it with the coffee staining technique. Who knows what this little guy will turn out to be. So make sure that you work and get these fully pushed out the way they need to be before you start stuffing. So I'm going to put the stuffing in from the top, and once that's ready, I'll show you in the finishing video how to hem that up.